Welcome to our presentation on how to synchronize a non-ACT user calendar with ACT. You don't have to be an ACT user in order to use or to sync your ACT calendar with ACT. In many cases, we have a centralized ACT database and we have field sales individuals that want to sync their calendar with ACT. You don't have to be an ACT user in order to do that. This is possible if 123Sync has access to the data and the location. The data could be on Exchange or in a cloud folder accessible via Outlook, or 123Sync can be set up as a server or even a client installation on that particular user's Outlook. But if we have access to the data, we can actually sync it. So let's look at our Outlook and see the Tom1 has a calendar that we want to sync. And we don't want to add Tom1 as a user in ACT or as an active user for the licensing issues. So the first thing to do is start with ACT and we click on Tools, Manage Users, and here we go Create New User and create a new user. Just call it Tom1 Cal Sync and just go to the next one and just make him inactive. So what it is, we'll have this user as being part of this Tom1 Cal Sync. This user is going to be inactive in the ACT database, but we'll be able to masquerade or avatar him. So click Close. So now we go into the 123Sync, and on the 123Sync we go to the Tools and we create a custom user, Tom1 Cal Sync. So in this custom user, we make the custom user to sign in as the administrator. So because it doesn't sign in as an ACT user, so test the. We put in the password. We always test it, see if it works. And then we enable the avatar. We select the avatar. Okay. And that's the avatar for Tom1 Cal Sync. So now let's set up the calendar. Click on the calendar. And we pointed to the calendar for Tom1. So now we're connected to that calendar. Just make sure that you enable the Tom Cal Sync so it will run. Now we go to the contact filters. We're not processing any contacts, but what we're doing is just doing the calendar only meetings, to-dos, and calls. In this case, we actually put in to-dos and calls and the meetings all straight into the Outlook calendar. And that's really it. After you've done that, now you can just click on Synchronize, and we don't want to process this guy here, so we just take him out of our sync and then just click on the sync users, and that will sync all the contacts. All the calendars, all the calendar items. And then we'll go. We can go back to ACT and then look here, and all these items have been scheduled with Tom1 Cal Sync and basically scheduled for that particular user, which means that we're maintaining all the correct user correlation between Outlook and ACT and between the avatar that we just created. This concludes our presentation or video tutorial on how to sync a non-ACT user's calendar with ACT and how to create and maintain the user ID and the user ownership throughout the whole transaction. Again, thank you for watching our tutorials, and please come back and use our product. Thank you.